Tim, we are going to repaint the trim here in the kitchen. There is some places that need some patchwork. You can see over here by the window here, by the air conditioner, there and here. And there are spots up here that just need some fill work. I'm over here by the window, by the back door. There are places down here that could use some tender loving care, as you can see. Up there in the corner, down through here. Over by the cabinets, there are some spots as well. A little patching in here. Let's see. There's a spot over here too. This right here. You can see some spots, and you can look around even more for yourself. All of those are going to need some touching up in here in the living room as well. We got places like here on the side window there that you can see. And definitely here at the picture window. There's a place where the old windows used to be. They need some help. And as long as we're on it, you can take a look at the. We're going to do both of these doors, aren't you, Aubrey? The downstairs door and the bathroom door.
Yes.
So.
The back side of the bathroom door.
Yeah, the back side of this bathroom door has some spots here that need to be cleaned and then patched. And this, you got this coming off here that this needs to be cleaned off and patched. And this is pretty rough right in here. So there's places here that need to be cleaned and taking a look at. That's just dirt, yuck. But we have some places here that need to be touched there before we paint, so we can start with that for this day. So it's here, there, you see down there, there, all of those places. And we'll leave it at that.